and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a wig install. So this hair is from Alipearl hair. I love this company. Very professional, great quality wigs. This is their wear and go wig. This is their 22-inch wear and go 613 wig, and I love this hair so much. It's so easy and there's literally nothing to it when you put it on. I love how this hair feels. It's so soft, easy to manage. I can comb through it with no problem, and it's just really quick. Like, I'm on the go most of the day. So if I could just take a wig, plop it on, not too much work, like, I'm sold. I love this hair so much. So it's a 5x5 closure wig, which means less work, which means we're all for this. So I'm just going to take the hair and just brush it out of my face because I'm going to spray some hairspray just to lay down that hairline a little better, because like I mentioned before, I did wear this wig about 1 or 2 times. But it's still in great condition. Like, I love this hair. It doesn't feel stiff. It's not too oily, too greasy. I don't use a lot of products on this, if any at all, besides hairspray. So this step is honestly optional, but I'm just going to spray my hairline just for a little extra, like, security and coverage, and just because I kind of mold the front of my hair to fall a certain type of way, and the Got To Be spray helps with that tremendously. So I'll just let you guys watch and see how I mold it down. So now I'm just taking this Maybelline Fit Me powder in this shade 330, and I'm just putting that in my middle part, just to kind of define it a little bit more and help that cap that I had on blend into the makeup and just make it a little more seamless. Y'all, this hair was so easy to flat iron. Like, I didn't have to really be too intricate and, you know, sectioning in parts and flat ironing. Like, taking these size sections really got the job done. So you'll see what I'm talking about in a second. So I took my shears and just added a few layers to the front because I just love a layered look. It just looks so natural and just gives the hair a different feel. So I've been loving adding layers to the front of my wigs. So guys, here you have it. This hair is from Alipearl hair. It's their 613 wear and go glueless wig, 5x5 closure. It's so gorgeous. I'm obsessed. Link is in the description.